Rolex is about to kill its most adventurous tool watch to make room for a masterpiece 100 years in the making. Welcome back to Luxe Pulse. We are weeks away from Watches and Wonders 2026, and the intelligence coming out of Geneva isn't just a whisper, it's a roar. We are facing the biggest milestone in modern Rolex history, the centenary of the Oyster Case. But for every legend born, an icon must die. Today, we are breaking down the 2026 Death List, the evolution of the high-frequency LandDweller, and why the Explorer II might be about to vanish forever. If you're holding a Pepsi or an Explorer right now, pay very close attention. The market is about to shift. Let's start with the big one. 1926 to 2026. 100 years ago, Hans Wilsdorf changed the world by patenting the Oyster Case, the world's first truly waterproof wristwatch. This isn't just a birthday, it's the foundation of Rolex's identity. The question isn't if Rolex will celebrate, it's how. And all signs point to the 1908. While the 1908 was seen as a quiet replacement for the Cellini, in 2026 it's poised to become Rolex's high-complication heavyweight. Rumours are swirling about a 1908 Perpetual Calendar. We saw the leaked patents in 2024, and the timing is finally perfect. By adding a moon phase or a Perpetual Calendar to the 1908, Rolex moves from being just a luxury brand to a high horology house, competing directly with the likes of Patek Philippe. Now, let's talk about the watch that shocked the industry last year, the LandDweller. This was a massive technical leap, Rolex's first in-house mechanical high-frequency watch, featuring the incredible Calibre 7135. It launched in white rollsaw, Everose gold and platinum, but in 2026, the LandDweller is due for its first major variety drop. Currently, if you want the white rollsaw version, you're stuck with the white honeycomb dial. But the beauty of rollsaw is its versatility. For 2026, we are expecting Rolex to open the floodgates with blue, green and silver honeycomb dials. And for the Everose gold models, we need more than just the white dial with baguette diamonds. We are predicting the arrival of chocolate, rose and even purple honeycomb configurations. It's about giving this high-frequency beast the aesthetic range it deserves. As for the platinum version, expect that ice blue dial to remain exclusive, just like the Daytona. The LandDweller is no longer a new release. It is becoming the new backbone of the catalogue. While the Oyster turns 100, the President turns 70. The DayDate was launched in 1956, and for 2026, Rolex is going back to its roots in the most beautiful way possible. To mark the 70th anniversary, we are predicting a special DayDate 36 in yellow gold, featuring a lapis lazuli stone dial. Stone dials were the breakout trend of 2025. We saw it with the Tiger Iron GMTs. And in 2026, the trend of men wearing elegant stone dial 36mm pieces is dominating the red carpets. This isn't just a watch, it's a piece of art. If Rolex brings back the lapis dial on a Jubilee or President bracelet, it will be the most sought-after dress watch of the decade. Speaking of 70th anniversaries, what about the scientist's watch? The Milgos was officially introduced in 1956. It was discontinued in 2023, but you don't let a 70th anniversary pass without a revival. We're looking for the reference 26400. Imagine the Milgos upgraded with the Calibre 3230, perhaps in RLX titanium to play into that non-magnetic theme. Bringing back the Z blue dial and the green sapphire crystal for the 70th anniversary isn't just a good idea. It's a guaranteed hit for the enthusiasts who felt left behind in 2023. But now we have to talk about the casualties. To make room for the LandDweller expansion and the new 1908s, Rolex must cut the old. First, the DayDate Olive. It was the 60th anniversary hero, but its 10-year run is likely over. Next, the Explorer II. This is a bold claim, but the 42mm polar and black dials have fallen out of favour with the core enthusiast base. With its retail price climbing and limited configuration potential, the Explorer II feels like the failed sibling of the professional line. Don't be surprised if Rolex pulls it entirely to reset the Explorer identity. And finally, the Pepsi. We say it every year, but with the 10-year production cycle ending and the Bruce Wayne taking over the steel GMT-Master II spotlight, 2026 might finally be the year the red and blue bezel goes into the vault. 2026 is the year Rolex stops playing it safe. Between the 100-year Oyster milestone and the technical dominance of the high-frequency LandDweller, the crown is moving into a new era of horology. If the Explorer II gets discontinued, does it become an instant classic, or will it be forgotten? And which LandDweller dial are you waiting for? The blue or the chocolate? Drop your vote in the comments. We'll be covering every second of Watches and Wonders 2026 live. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the moment these rumors become reality.